Celebrate the 50th anniversary of Casio watches with the limited edition all-new Casiotron, a recreation of the first ever Casio wristwatch. With its debut in 1974, the Casiotron was the world's first digital watch with an automatic calendar that automatically adjusted for longer and shorter months. The all-new TRN-50 pays homage to the groundbreaking original while integrating today's cutting-edge technology. With a meticulous reproduction of the original design, both in look and size, the external diameter is essentially the same at 39.1 millimeters, and the profile measures 0.3 millimeters slimmer. So that was Casio's own little copywriting on the listing for this watch, and yeah, it's a nice celebration piece. It's clearly an old school reissue, very retro, funky, quartz crisis-y. And when we jump further into the specs, you can see there's a ton of functionality with this Casiotron. 39.1 millimeters by 42.7, 12.3 millimeters thick. It weighs 111 grams. The case, bezel, and strap or bracelet is stainless steel. One-touch three-fold clasp, water resistance of 50 meters. We're going to talk about that in a moment. Time adjustment, radio controlled, multi-band 6, power supply and battery life, tough solar, so it's solar powered, and Bluetooth capability for $500. Okay, so not all of it's good. Let me explain. It is 11:05 a.m. Let's get down to business. Now guys, this episode's brought to you by my very own store, The Time Teller Shop. Use this coupon code and everything from this stock will be under $400. Don't miss out on this promotion. Okay, so we can all agree that Casio is god tier and they make some incredible everyday watches, probably the best affordable everyday watches you can buy. Anything from, their G-Shock series, the Pro Treks, the Edifice series, they're just great watches that won't break the bank, and they have superior functionality, superior durability, and again, you just don't have to worry about them. And I get that this Casiotron is an awesome celebration piece. Again, celebrating 50 years, that's a big accomplishment, and I'm not gonna knock them for that. And they even updated the watch, right? They gave it Bluetooth capability, has tough solar, has multi-band timekeeping. So why limit it to 50 meters of water resistance? Now, I know people are gonna be like, oh, when's the last time you went 50 meters underwater? That's not the point. When you have a 50-meter water-resistant watch, you pretty much can wash your hands with it and walk around in the rain, and that's about it. I mean, when we look at the specs, you can see this watch has some pretty impressive functionality, similar to some very nice G-Shocks. But for $500, this should also be a watch I'll never have to take off. But again, with most 50-meter water-resistant watches, you can wash your hands with them, and that's about it. Now, I'm really not trying to rag on this watch too hard because I think it's really cool. The dimensions are totally wearable for a very diverse group of people. I love the quartz crisis-y retro futurism. I think it's a really awesome watch, and again, them adding, I guess, the multi-band, the tough solar, the Bluetooth, that's kind of bringing something old school into the modern world while kind of retaining its very vintagey kind of retro looks. But if you're going to upgrade some of the other aspects of this watch and give it some more modern functionality, why not upgrade the water resistance rating as well? So I do think it's a very nice anniversary piece, and I think it's awesome them celebrating and essentially reissuing the first ever Casio watch. But for $500, there's a slew of G-Shocks I'd rather buy. But let me know what you think, guys. Am I off the mark here? That's fine. You can tell me I'm wrong. Leave it in the comment section, and I will catch you there. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.